I've seen him in his ups, I've seen him in his downs. I've heard people talk about his form, and genuinely, he's always kept quiet.
I don't have to say anything different. I think it was very special, very moving. All the memories from childhood came back, all the inspirational moments that inspired me to become a cricketer, Baji to become a cricketer. Everything came back and we understood his mindset. So
it's slightly different to what all of us are quite used to watching, and it's a man speaking, so it's his side of the story.
I think it was fantastic, very moving. It's about Sachin Tendulkar, Sachin, and it reminded us of our World Cup victory, which was very special and beautiful. And it always remains in our heart.
I don't have to say anything different. I think it was very special, very moving. All the memories from childhood came back, all the inspirational moments that inspired me to become a cricketer, Baji to become a cricketer. Everything came back and we understood his mindset. So I think it was beautifully compiled and something which is going to be a massive success, especially in our country. I think people are going to really love it. It brings out all the emotions and it's going to be a super success. So I wish him all the best. Thank you. भाई मैं 28 का हूँ.
So they're not asking. I'm used to answering.
Just experience about it.
So I'll start with that and I'll finish whatever I have to say, like a post-match presentation. So I think it's just fantastic. It's slightly different to what all of us are quite used to watching, and it's a man speaking, so it's his side of the story, what he felt at different instances throughout his career. And also Sachin had a very long career, so throughout what he went through, what were the challenges, and it's interesting to get the comments from people that were close to him, people who watched him over a period, and the family members and the close friends. And I think also what was very nice was, Anjali Bhabhi speaking, about what he thought about all the different things, and what to die for is the family videos, because that's something that I miss. I don't have a lot of family videos, but there are quite a few family videos in there where, Baji is playing with the kids, moments with Anjali Bhabhi, parents and all of that. So, very inspiring, very nice, and you can also see how India changed, from where he made his debut to when he retired. And there was a period when the team was accompanied with one camera, so you see a lot of shots of that. And finally, when he retired, there were like 150 cameras. So there are a lot of things, very inspiring things that's there for the youngsters to see. It's not only about having the talents, it's the hard work that goes through. And I think it's all about what all he had to put in, what all he had to sacrifice, and the people that supported him. And it's all about the phenomena that we call Sachin, and very inspiring, as I said. So it's a pleasure watching. Don't miss it.
For asking the question, I would have found it really difficult to start. I wouldn't call it a movie in the first place. It was a great experience, to be very truthful. Over a 2.5 hour period, I think Sachin movie was actually significant because it completely showed me my memory lane of Indian cricket. It not only was a movie of a cricketer, a champion cricketer, it was a movie which explained how India has been over the last 25 years. Because in a country where we were actually coming out of independence and actually trying and making a lot of good news, Sachin was actually the only good news for most of us. And from there on to actually experience that, watch him grow as a cricketer, watch India being thrown off, to actually get here has been a great experience. And I really loved it. and it's not a movie, it's an experience. I really liked it. Thank you so much.
I think he's the best. He's the best. Sachin's the best. Thank you.
पहले तो बहुत खुशी है कि यार उनके ऊपर या उनके सारे काम को डॉक्यूमेंट करती हुई ये फिल्म बनाई है इन लोगों ने। सो जेम्स को, रवि को, सचिन को, इनसेफ वो सबके लिए इंस्पिरेशन है। और आई थिंक देश भर में, देश के बाहर जो हमारे लोग हैं सभी सचिन के नाम से इंस्पायर होते हैं, खुश होते हैं। हमारे देश की सारी होप्स उन पे इतने सालों तक टिकी रही और अभी भी वो हमको रास्ता दिखाते हैं। सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी that somebody decided to make a film on his career and personal life. I like the fact that Sachin has always been someone who's proved his worth through his work. You know, the term that my bat will do the talking actually is the most true for Sachin Tendulkar. And I've seen him in his ups, I've seen him in his downs. I've heard people talk about his form, and genuinely he's always kept quiet, always let his game do the talking. So I like the quiet resolution and the resolve Sachin's always had, and that's very inspiring. Anything else? Thank you.
नमस्कार। क्या कहना चाहेंगे, क्या कह सकते हैं, कोई कुछ नहीं कह सकता। There are no words to say for this man, this icon, this legend. Really one of the greatest public figures in our young country's history. One of the greatest sportsmen of all time across sports. An inspiration to me, to I'm sure millions and millions of young Indians and young people across the world. I'm extremely happy that my brother Ravi Bhagchandka, it's his first time as a producer, and it's amazing for me to see this journey completed for him today. He's been wanting this and dreaming about this day for so long, and I've been with him through that entire process, through all these years that he's been dreaming about this day, and it's finally coming true. So it's really it's a very special day for me. Thank you so much.
दरअसल मुझे बड़ी खुशी है कि दंगल इतनी पसंद की जा रही है चाइना में, और दुनिया भर में लोगों ने इतनी पसंद की है। और मुझे लगता नहीं कि किसी दो फिल्मों को कंपेयर करना चाहिए। बाहुबली बहुत ही कामयाब फिल्म है, मैंने अभी तक देखी नहीं है, लेकिन जिससे मैं मिला हूँ सिर्फ तारीफ़ ही सुनी मैंने बाहुबली की। तो मेरी तरफ से शुभकामनाएँ, मेरी तरफ से मुबारकबाद राजा मौली जी को, उनकी पूरी टीम को। और मुझे लगता है कि ये कंपैरिजन हमको नहीं करना चाहिए। बाहुबली या दंगल दोनों अच्छी फिल्में अपनी अपनी जगह हैं, और दोनों फिल्में हिंदुस्तान की फिल्में हैं जो दुनिया भर में झंडा गाड़ रही हैं। तो आई एम वेरी प्राउड ऑफ बाहुबली एज वेल, एंड एज एन इंडियन फैन आई वुड really appreciate the fact that the film is doing so well all over the country, all over the world.
सचिन का नाम आता है तो क्या जहन में आता है?
सचिन का मैं हमेशा से बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन रहा हूँ, और मैंने ये फ़िल्म देखी है, सचिन की फ़िल्म बहुत ही खूबसूरत फ़िल्म है। किसी भी सचिन फ़ैन के लिए ये एक बहुत ही जज्बाती फ़िल्म है, क्योंकि हम सचिन की जो पूरी जर्नी रही है उसको हम एक बार फिर एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं बड़े पर्दे पर, और उनके ज़िंदगी में, उनके करियर में जो इम्पॉर्टेंट मोमेंट्स आए हैं वो सब हम एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं। तो जब मैंने फ़िल्म देखी तो मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आई। आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ अस हु आर सच बिग फैंस ऑफ सचिन विल रियली लव दिस फिल्म, और ख़ास तौर से जो उनकी लास्ट स्पीच जो हमेशा रुलाती है हम सबको। तो आई रियली लव द फिल्म, एंड आई रियली विश सचिन एंड द इंटायर टीम ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। मुझे यकीन है कि ये फिल्म बहुत ही कामयाब होगी और लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगी। गुड इवनिंग। Sachin's qualities which I admire, there are many qualities of Sachin which I admire. एक तो जो उनका पैशन है गेम की तरफ, जो उनका प्यार और मोहब्बत है क्रिकेट की तरफ, उसके अलावा जो उनका डेडिकेशन है, जो उनका हार्ड वर्क है, जिस किस्म के इंसान है वो, जितना उनमें ग्रेस और डिग्निटी है, जिस किस्म से उन्होंने अपनी ज़िंदगी जी है, पूरा करियर जिया है, तो ही इज़ रियली एन आइकॉन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस।
Thank you.
हैं सवाल आप, अपॉइंटेड स्पोक्स पर्सन है किसके लिए? हाँ करेक्ट, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। कल ट्रेलर दिखाएंगे, फिर अभी क्या बोले आप? तैयार हैं बिल्कुल, सेंसर सर्टिफिकेट हाथ में है, कल दिखाएंगे दोपहर में आपको सब, सलमान, सोहेल, मैं, प्रीतम सब होंगे। ये पता नहीं मुझे, आई डोंट थिंक अभी पहुंचे हैं वो वापस अबू धाबी से, वो शूट कर रहे थे टाइगर के लिए, आई डोंट थिंक आ जाए। हाँ, इस फिल्म के लिए क्या बोले बस, सचिन एक आइकॉन है, स्पेशली मेरे जनरेशन के लिए, हम तो बड़े हुए हैं उनको देखते हुए, खेलते हुए, और आई थिंक स्पोर्टिंग जो एक स्टोरीज होती हैं उससे ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी कोई स्टोरी नहीं होती है, तो एक बहुत मज़ा आता है देखने के लिए, स्पेशली एक सचिन जैसे आइकॉन की कहानी देखने के लिए तो बहुत मज़ा आया। जी ज़रूर ज़रूर ज़रूर, थैंक यू।
You're asking? How are you? Well, first let me tell you about my Sachin moment. I'm one of the fortunate few who had the opportunity to play with him when he was 9 years old and I was 18, and see him play inside the Savas, which is just terrific. And many years later, when he saw Lagan, he stepped out and he said to me, "Aflatun bano less." So for me, that's a very big Sachin moment. And today to see him with this movie, I think he's stepping out again into the theatrical stadium.
Yeah, listen, उनकी पहली जो शूट थी वो बाटा पावर, कम से कम आई थिंक ऑलमोस्ट 26 years ago, वो मैंने की थी. सो आई नो वेरी क्लोज पर्सनल फ्रेंड. ये मैंने पिक्चर देखी है पहले. आई कांट टेल यू हाउ मच फन इट इज़. इट्स लाइक गोइंग डाउन मेमोरी लेन एंड लिविंग एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ हिज अमेजिंग 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 करियर. I had a statement to make. There's nothing more to explain. That was that. No, I think we had a very clear-cut contract, which we have honored completely. They have a point of view कि शायद स्टूडियो के प्रॉफिट्स में से उनको मिलना चाहिए कुछ. That is not the contract. And whatever is the contract has been honored by us, and that is for sure. So now if there's a dispute, there are always courts to decide these things. So we've done everything that we were supposed to do, and in my 25-year plus career, nobody has ever said that in any way there has been any kind of financial problem whatsoever. So that is a record I'm very 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 proud of.
honored and very privileged to do the music for this movie with Sachin and James and
Hi. I'm sorry मैं इवेंट ख़त्म करके आई हूँ, but I want to run upstairs and at least catch something. Just that it's such a privilege to be born at a time when one has seen somebody like him. He is really great, and you know, once in a millennium, somebody comes and inspires billions of people, and he's one of those people. And I like Ravi to have made a film like this. It's like a huge thing, and I'm really excited to be here. And I want to go meet Sachin sir. So I think I'm going to run now. मैं भाग रही हूँ.
मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि वो क्रिकेटर होके उसने पिक्चर बनाई है, और मेरा आशीर्वाद है कि वो पिक्चर चलेगी, और इसके जितनी ही चले, इसने जितनी सेंचुरी लगाई है उतना ही पिक्चर चलना चाहिए.
उनकी फिल्म का ऐसा प्रीमियर हो सकता था वेर आई थिंक एवरीबडी इन द कंट्री वांट्स टू सी द मूवी. मैं कल वापस आऊँगी मेरे बच्चों को लेकर ये फिल्म देखने उनकी क्लास के साथ. आज बर्थडे इसलिए मैं भागूंगी वापस जरा। हाँ तो मैं तो देखो दोनों को कैसे जगल करता है। Have you met my husband? That's why you don't know. He will never have a party. पापराजी सब यहाँ है ना, इसलिए आज हमने पार्टी रखी।
मतलब वो तो ऑलरेडी हमारे हीरो हैं, ये असली हीरो हैं, इस बात की खुशी है, and I'm very happy to participate in this dream. He's already made 1.25 billion people's dream come true. Now we're looking forward to this film.
मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ सचिन की जर्नी को देखने के लिए, उसको विजुअल को देखने के लिए हम सभी बहुत एक्साइटेड होंगे, क्योंकि ही इज़ द प्राइड ऑफ अ कंट्री और उनके साथ में मैंने अभी हाल ही में कुछ काम भी किया है, तो एक और स्पेशल रिश्ता हुआ है हमारा, इसलिए मैं अपनी फैमिली के साथ में